In this video, I will show you how to install Google Chrome in laptop. To do this, what you want to do is open up your current internet browser. So maybe that's like Microsoft Edge or Firefox, whatever it is, just open it up. Now, once you've done that, what you want to do is come across to google.com, and from here all you need to do is Google search for download Chrome. Once you've done that, you want to click onto the top result that comes up. That's going to take you to the official website, and from here you're going to see a button to download Google Chrome. Give that a click and that's going to download this onto your laptop. Once it's done, you can open this up from your downloads folder, and then what you can do is just run through the steps to download and install Google Chrome in your laptop. Once Google Chrome has finished downloading and installing, what you can do is close down the installation setup, come down to your search box in the taskbar at the bottom and type Chrome. You should find the Google Chrome app here, and then give it a click to open up a screen like this, where you can either add a Google account, or you can of course use Chrome in guest mode, and then you can start to use Google Chrome on your laptop. So that is how to install Google Chrome in laptop. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe for more simple Chrome and tech tutorials. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.